Happy Sunday movie night. Liam asked for a movie night because on Friday I had a mini one for Jacob, but he had that 5th grade dance thing going on. So of course I had to do this for my big boy. Good morning, friends. Why do I walk like this? I used to be a preschool teacher, I think, and like it's still in me. And the way I say friends too. Anyways, I'm gonna work out. I've got my loose pants. These are my 3rd pair of loose pants, or like wide leg workout pants. I have it in black and navy blue and this teal color. This is an Amazon workout set. Well, not together, but separately, but Amazon. But then my jacket, Dee gave to me for Christmas. Man, I used to be an extra small when I moved here in Aloe. But now I'm a small, because the way this fits a little too tight, I blame it on the dryer. Oh my god. Ow, I pinched myself. No, but for real, I blame it on the dryer. I blame everything on the dryer. I mean, it still fits. It's just kind of tight, because it kind of looks like a corset. And I don't see a lot of people wearing it, so like, let me put you on. These are cute. Like, I really like them. And it has like a zipper pocket. It's true to size. It's just your girl had gained weight when I moved here. But it used to fit real good on me back in the day. Anyways, I gotta go work out. I'll see you soon. Hello, my friends. I'm back from my workout. I'm having leftover spaghetti and meat sauce and some papaya and oranges. I have to hurry, eat this thing, shower, and then go back out and get my lashes filled because it's been a while and I made a mistake that last time thinking I scheduled myself online, but I forgot to press confirm. And yeah, oh, why is my hair everywhere? But yeah, the workout was good. I like the people that I work out with. I like my trainer. What can I say? I like it all. I love my life and I'm grateful for it, and I don't take it for granted. And I saw this thing that said like all your hard work in the past 10 years will show up in the next. I pray that happens, because girl, I was doing 3 channels, IG, and I kind of think it is. And you know what else? Like, I really live my life knowing that what's for you is for you, and like, I don't want anyone else's life, because have you seen my man? Uh-oh, here he comes. Here his
I heard my name.
Honey, I'm sweaty. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm so Pinoy, because you know Pinoys, they eat like this, honey. I could eat, I mean, if it was rice. But yeah. How you doing? Fine.
Look at this woman right here.
Can you stop?
Every day no. Even that, ooh, yeah. Every day I look at you, I think, damn, how did I get so lucky? Did I not say that to you last night? I would... Let me just give me a kiss. I'll go off camera.
After school time. Reading for Jakey, homework for Liam, and frozen grapes because they love it. Me and my Grampy Choo-Choo. My little handsome. He went to the vet. Justin just took him in real fast. Let me put you down, okay, buddy? Yeah, he brought Jakey, not you, Jacob. He brought Charlie to the vet real quick just for a shot. It's like an allergy shot. You know how some people get allergies and then you give them a shot? One of those, but for Charlie. It helps him for his asthma. Order my drinks on Amazon, my Orgain. And also, I get them at Costco if I can find it. I ordered... Oh, I guess I don't have any more. That's why I ordered it. But it's the plant protein, 20 grams. They keep sending this one. So I have to talk to customer support. And what they're going to do is they're going to be like, you can keep this one. I'm lactose intolerant. So I'm going to give it to Justin. They're going to give me my money back, tell me to keep it, but I still don't have what I need. Just as I expected, they just gave me my money back and said I can keep it, but I don't want to keep it. I just wanted my Orgain, the plant one. It's okay. I ordered this on Amazon for Mother's Day for Jessica. For Sharon, Jessica, Justin, and I, we like pitched in and we got like a planter, like a garden thingy for Sharon. I don't know what it's called. I'm not a gardener. but I think it's like a planter. And we're going there on Saturday for them to finish it up. But for Jessica, I thought about like what she likes. Oh, sorry, I'm losing my voice, I guess. I thought about what she likes, and I know she likes Legos because we gave her one of these for a few Christmases ago and she liked it. And so I thought we could give her another Lego because she likes Lego, like the flower kind. Got her a gift receipt in case she doesn't like it. And then a card. This one's so special. It says, Sister, Mother, Hero, celebrating all that you are. Today I celebrate you not only as an incredible mom, but as a sister whose strength and love inspire me daily. Your warmth touches everyone around you, and your courage lights the way. I'm so proud to witness the amazing woman you've become. Happy Mother's Day. True dat. We proud of you, Jessica. We proud of you. This is a good card I got for her. Yep. Yeah, so I gotta wrap it or gift bag it. But that's what we got her. I kind of want to go to Bath and Body Works because she complimented my lemon pound cake Bath and Body Works foaming hand soap. One day she was like, "Oh, I was washing my hands and I was like, ooh, that smells like a lemon pound cake or something." And then she's like, and then I looked and it was, and I was like, yeah, it's the soap. So I kind of like might want to go back and get that for her. I got Susan a gift, but she watches the vlog. So hi, Susan. You won't find out. You won't find out till it gets to you. Okay. What else? That's it. It's really sad to say, but those are the mamas in our life, and then so many have passed away. Never really eat at this formal dining area, so I started using it for folding laundry. And also because I'm watching the boys, they're playing outside, and it's good for me to sit here and like watch them. I also have them on my Ring camera because we have like so many cameras, like side, front, back, side, like, you know, just so I know and I see them. But it's good because there was this one time, I don't think like people can see the reflection inside of the dining area, and there was this lady that took a picture of our house, and I'm like, why is she taking pictures of my house? So I came outside and like she got caught, and I was like, hey, and she just started walking away, and I'm like, that's strange. So can I ask you guys, why would anyone take a picture of someone else's house? Like I would like to know. Yeah, that's my question of the day. Because I don't randomly take a picture of people's houses, especially if my kids are playing basketball out there. Why are you taking pictures of my kids like that? You know? I don't know. But long story short, I'm really strict and I watch my kids. Not strict, but I care about their safety. And yeah, I am strict. Yeah, I am. They're not doing sleepovers and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, can I share a story? So, oh my gosh. First of all, some of the laundry fell on the floor, but it's okay. So one time, a mom introduced herself to me. It was when we were living in the Bay Area still. I never met her. I just met her this one time. She introduces herself to me and she's like, I'm this kid's mom. And I'm like, nice to meet you. And the kid and Liam were soccer buddies. Next thing you know, she exchanges numbers with me and I have her number. And then she texts me and she's like, hey, can I pick up Liam the next day or like a following day? Because it's my son's birthday and my son wants to go get ice cream. Mind you, I only met her once. And she wants to have permission to take my son in her vehicle and take him out for ice cream and like take him out of like school, after school. I'm sorry. I don't know if that's like weird to me, but if I just met you once, you do not have permission to take my son in your vehicle. Like that just is not, like, I don't know if it's because I was raised the way I was from my mama, but ain't no way. And you know what? There was this one time, I'm so grateful that my parents taught me to not open the door for strangers, because I'm telling you right now, this was like probably the scariest thing. And I don't know why, but lately I've been it's just like been an ongoing thing on my mind. And I want to share it with you guys because you need to teach your kids to not open the door for people. Because one time my parents went to the store, the grocery store. I don't know how old I was. I don't remember. I think I was like 12 and under. 12, 11, 12. Somewhere around that age, right? There was this man. He like tries to like knock on the door. And we have another door that's like locked too, but it's like a screen door, but it's locked, okay? I opened the door because someone's knocking, and I know my parents let me open the door, but not the screen door because that's also locked. Like something has to be locked with the chain. And so it was locked with the chain, and the man was all like, I'm your parents' friend. Are they here? And I was like, no, they're not here. First of all, that was dumb of me to say no, but I was a kid. And he was like, well, I'm your parents' friend. Let me come inside and let me sit on your couch. They said I can wait here. And I was like, first of all, I never met this man. Teabag looking man. He looked like Teabag from Prison Break. I don't care what he looked like, but that's just the description, okay? I was like, I have never met you. I don't know you. Like, my parents said to never open the door for anyone, so I'm not opening the door. He starts shaking it, and he's like, open the door. And I was like, no, I'm sorry. So I just lock the door. I close the other door, and I lock the door. I chain it. I do all the things. And I look out the window, and he, like, finally walks away. But I think about, like, what if I opened the door? Like, what would have happened? I don't even want to know, but that's why I actually told Liam and Jacob that story, so they know to not open the door for nobody. Like, nobody. So, yeah, I don't care if it's someone that says that they know me. I don't care if you know them, if they're just a new neighbor. No, I don't know you like that yet. I don't know you like that. You know, like, so I'm glad that our house is kind of like the hangout spot. Like, random kids will, like, come and hang out on, like, the whatever we have, like, and play basketball or whatever. But my kids are not going to someone's house like that because I haven't met them yet and I don't know them like that. It's not, no. I don't know. It could be a cultural thing. I was raised Filipino. You don't do that. But long story short, my mom and dad saved my life that day, because what if I had opened the door to some random teabag looking man who wanted to be like, oh, and then the scariest part, my parents were really, really distraught when I told them. I'm like, hey, Mom and Dad, your friend said that he was here and he came and he told me to open the door, but I told him not to because I told him I wouldn't open the door because you guys told me not to. My mom and dad were like, we don't have a friend. Like, we don't have a friend coming over. We don't, like, and then I described what he looked like. We don't have a friend that looked like that. They were distraught. They were upset. And then like, even like getting mail, I would run because the mailbox was hecka far and the garage was like hecka far. We lived in like a condo, and so like the mailbox was like hecka far away, but I would want to get the mail because I was getting Leonardo DiCaprio mail. Oh, you know what? I was probably older then because I had a crush on Leonardo DiCaprio maybe in like 8th grade. What grade is that? Yeah, but around that age is when that happened. Yeah, not me being president of the Leonardo DiCaprio Club. I would get like books. I was a weird kid. And now weird kids make for weird adults, and I'm still weird. Hello friends, I'm back here. In this yellow room. Like, I want to paint it eventually because it's just like not the yellow that I like, and I love yellow, girl. Like my mug from Juana and Soren. Like, I think like 18-year-old mug. This is still my favorite mug in the whole wide world, and I will be so sad one day if something happens to it. But it's inevitable, you know, things happen. But right now, nothing's happening. I filmed this whole thing, but then I filmed it in 4K, and I guess my computer can't handle me editing it. And so here I am again. I just did solid core this morning. I was so sweaty. I don't understand how some people can wear a sweatshirt while working out. But maybe they're pros. Like, maybe they've done the class like hundreds of times, and it's like my second real class, third class, because the first was like an intro. Yeah, so second, still struggling. Oh my gosh, so I have to tell you about this panty. I know, we're talking about panties, so if you don't have a vagina, you ain't gotta watch no more, because we talk about panties, okay? So I saw an ad on these panties. They're supposed to be like really soft, but they're also supposed to be like antibacterial because it has zinc, right? Okay, so I bought like 2 starting out, okay? It's called Hoo-Ha. And then I was like, dang, I like it. Like, I bought a yellow one and a black one. A thong version and a regular, and I really like it. And so here I am buying like so much, like, and I mean so much, because like, you know, sometimes you gotta just have new underwear, and it's so cute. Like, so yeah, I also decided to buy the tank top because the tank, Like the fabric of the panties were so soft. I was like, let me buy a tank top to wear to sleep. So I bought a tank top to sleep. This is what the undies look like. This is so cute. I got like some bright colors. You know, they're not like sexy underwear or anything like that, but they're great for sleeping, and just the fabric of it, and you know, it's got like the cotton, and it just feels freaking soft. And I got this one, and I love the thong one because like when you're squatting, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Like, I don't know, I cannot describe it, but these are one of the best panties I've ever had. And like, I just saw an ad and then I bought it. That's what happens when you see ads. You're like, really? Is it that good? Well, my friends, I do have to tell you, it really is. I got some for working out. The pink one, the green one. I also have like these kinds. Like, I like to wear these to sleep. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable sleeping with a thong. It's just more comfortable with, I especially like the bigger ones. Like, this is the hip hugger. This is the hip hugger. This is the bikini one. And I like to get it in small and extra small, but for sleeping, I like it to be bigger, so I got different sizes. Like, some are small, some are extra small. The thongs are fine as an extra small because you do want it to fit you properly, like true to size. You want it to fit properly while you're like wearing it, working out. It doesn't move. It doesn't make you uncomfortable. I also got the tank top for sleeping, so it matches. It really don't need to be matching like that. Oh, and then I got, oh, these are cute. They're called the cheeky ones. They're cheeky. But the softness of it, I was hooked. Just had to share. I'm not working with them, although I'd like to. Hoo-ha, if you want to know, I'm a fan. This is my second time buying it. Yeah, anyways, friends, just wanted to share some comfy underwear. Bye, friends. Have a great day. By the way, wash your stuff before you wear it. Just saying, wash it first. That's what I'm going to do right now.